So again, I'd like to start off hearing from you so that we can keep the conversation inclusive. You don't have to be some amazing data scientist to participate. I love hearing from all of you and contributing here. There's so many different people asking different questions. And what I'm really loving recently is that we're seeing cases where the chat is helping each other, with answers and stuff. And I love seeing that community building. And also something kind of cool today, for the first time, I'm able to push this stream out to my company LinkedIn page. If you don't follow me on LinkedIn, please do so. I am Data Science with Dennis on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn requires you to have a minimum number of followers in order to enable live streaming. And I finally passed that threshold last week. So today, for the first time, I'm actually pushing out on the company page. So I'm really excited about that. It's not like I have a ton of followers, maybe this only matters to me, but I think it's pretty cool. So I'm pretty happy about it. But please don't be shy. I'm seeing people joining in on Instagram. Don't be shy about letting us know where you're from. I already see a couple in the chat, which is great. They'll keep on appearing over here on my shoulder. So while you're doing that, while you have giving you some time to let me know where you're from, I always like to start off with an opening note.